everyone, so I got this lash lift kit off of Amazon for like $10. I had a coupon code. But I thought I would try it out and see how it goes. The kit that I got is from Icon Sign. I've seen a lot of people try it. Do an opening. Nice. Not too bad. We got our classic visuals and product usage. Okay, so there's some instructions. We get plant extracts care iPad. Okay. And look at this, it's all like laid out for you. Oh, I thought it'd stay. Oh, it comes with false lash glue. I can use that for my lashes that I got in the last video. We've got a clean tool lift pad, number 1 perm. Oh, that's the first thing you use. Fixation, nutrition, cleanser, false lash glue, and a lash lift tool. So let's check that out. Oh wow, it's a lot of tools. Oh right, because you can use this stuff more than once, I think. All right, step 1, number 1. Oh, that's not helpful. That was the ingredients list, not the instructions. It's 11 o'clock at night on a Friday. Remove makeup, oil, and dust from lashes and eyes with clear water. Cover the eyelashes with the eye pads. I have to cover my lashes with these? To prevent fluid flow into the eyes? Isn't that counterintuitive? Remove dust from eyelashes. All right, just use this. I don't know if it's getting anything. Ow. Obviously don't do this ever. Paw. Okay. Oh, I get it now. These are not wet. Let's just do this thing before my brother comes home and judges me. Oh, wow. I don't know if I did that right, but it was cold and a little uncomfortable. I feel like I can't like do anything with my eye. Cover the eyelids with silicone pads along the base. So let's use the lifting pads that comes with 5 pairs, small, medium, 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 and large. Apparently you can cut these or you can super glue them. Oh, it's stuck. Why am I doing this myself? I'm so uncomfortable. This is dumb. Okay. Time to use some glue on my face. Weird. Alright, they said to apply. I don't know why they call it super glue. If this was actually super glue, I'd be screwed. I'm kind of scared. Oh, that's sticky. Oh. It's not close enough to the base. Alright, I'll be right back. I feel like this is hard because of my double eyelid. I lost the other one. Ew, is it on the floor? Let's do it again. This is the best I could do, okay? Okay. After the silicone pad firmly adheres to the eyelid, apply a small amount of super glue to the surface of the silicone pad. If my lashes fall out, I'll be so sad. Wait until it's half dry. Then use the brush to put eyelashes one by one on pad. Glue the super glue evenly on it. Now we can continue. Alright, I did this one first, so it should be more dry. It's just so sticky. Apply a suitable amount of the Perm lotion with a micro applicator brush, cotton swab evenly on eyelashes, then cover the eye with plastic wrap for 8 to 10 minutes. I don't know what a micro applicator brush is. Oh, it doesn't even come with anything. The heck? What is this shit? Oh, it smells awful. Alright, this is my brush. Oh, it's a lot of perm. Oh gosh. Did I mean to do that? Oh, it smells. Ugh. This is what it looks like. Not too bad, right? Okay. Then they said to use some plastic wrap. This is plastic wrap from some bubble tea I ordered. So, not the most sanitary. However, I will clean it. Because I'm not crazy. They really said what would make her look sexier. Now I have to put this in, keep this for 8 to 10. But I've had the perm in for a little bit, so I'm gonna put it for 7. I really don't have a lot of eyelashes. I'm gonna get an infection, aren't I? The timer's done, so I can take this off. I took off the pad things, and there's like 1 eyelash on it, so rip. Now we take fixation. It's blue though, we like that. Apply suitable amount, then cover with for 8 to 10 minutes again. They say I have to remove the lotion that's already on my eyes. Honestly, I'm sorry. I can't do this. Feels like my eyes can breathe again. Alright. Oh, that's... Okay. Okay, I did one eye. And I used way too much for the other one. Now for the saran wrap, part dos. I'm gonna set another timer. 8 minutes have passed. I am halfway through another Friends episode. I did steps 1 through 5. Now I just need to take this off. Now it says we can apply the nutrition with the swab or this brush. Wow, that is... It smells good. Oh, I need a mirror, this hurts. Oh wait, step 7, remove the silicone pad from eyelid. I was supposed to keep the eye pads on the whole time. Now I'm sad. But also now you know. Okay, so we're on the last step, and it's to cleanse. I've kept on the nutrition stuff for 5 minutes. In total, this whole process is probably taking half an hour. But yeah, so I'm gonna use a cotton swab thing because I feel like I've used a lot of the pads already. I'm sorry, the tools. Then I got the cleanser in my eye. Then I got the cleanser in my eye. Then I got the cleanser. Oh, then I got the cleanser. All done. So this is the after. Damn. I have to go out in public with this. Now I know to keep that iPad on the whole time. Not necessarily this one, but definitely the pad. The cleanser didn't really clean anything. I still feel gross. I think that if you want to get this kit, get it. I've seen it work for other people. I think if you want to do this, maybe do it with a friend and you can lay down and relax and they can do it for you. Which was my initial plan, but then I got impatient. So, yeah. I put on mascara to try and see if that would help, and it kind of did. Then I used this to take it off. Because apparently you're not supposed to sleep in makeup. So yeah. So I just wanted to give you an update. This is what they look like now. I don't know if that's any better than before, but I was able to separate them a little, so that's good. All right, thanks, bye.